Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka jilla Conrad sangma henne ka sngi abakren bat kinong thok khubor halor ka jingdon ki coke factory Be-Aiñ. Ula ong baka sorkar kala Khang lut iki coke factory Be-Aiñ ki badan hakeleng ka jilla. Bat kumbalong menta ki dei Tang kitu ki Biang ki kot kisla ki badang Treikam. Ula ong ru baka jing pendon kam daki kor kane ka juk ba menta kan yarap shibun. Ula ban Biang da ka baong ki ba Be-Aiñ la Khang balada don ki wei ru ki ba penkhen kin om ailat bakin Treikam.
Yes, in fact, we have been always stressing on the fact that the entire movement is towards balancing between the environment, which is ecology, and the economy. And that is the balance and the challenge that we keep working towards. And that is why there are guidelines and principles based on which certain industries can be set. As of now, in the state of Meghalaya, whichever coke plants which were set up illegally, they have been asked to shut down, they have been shut down. And only the ones that have got the paperwork, the environmental clearance, only those are being allowed to function. So therefore, I want to make the distinction that there's no question of any illegal coke plants functioning. And number two, as we move forward, we would want to see that more and better technology is used so that the environment aspects are reduced, while we also look at job creation and employment and ensure that the economy also is sustained. So therefore, the balance between these two is challenging. But as we move along with the help of technology, we are hopeful that we'll be able to achieve that. But to answer your question in one line, that there is no question of any illegal plants functioning. Any plant that functions illegally has been closed, and if anything, any other plants that try to come up will also be closed in the future.